you still have leftover chocolate in the cupboards? Can't think of a way how to use them? Well, this is the video for you.
Today's bake is the classic Rocky Road.
Let's jump in. To start with, we're going to line our baking tins. I'm going to be lining 2 tins. This will just make the Rocky Road pieces just a little bit smaller. To use 1 tin and make them as chunky as you like. Here's the ingredients. They're also in the description below, so go check them out there. You are going to need between 500 and 800 grams of mixed chocolate. I used milk and dark chocolate, little chocolate robins. They are from Christmas, but they're still in date, so we can still use them. And some Rolos. But feel free to use whatever chocolates you like. To start with, you're going to melt your butter and your chocolate. Make sure that you melt the chocolate that you're going to be using for the mixture and not to use the chocolate that you're going to be using for the goodies inside. Once the butter and chocolate is melted, you can then add your golden syrup into the mixture and then mix until completely combined. Make sure that your pan is on medium heat and you need to stir it constantly so that the butter or the chocolate doesn't stick to the sides and start to burn. Once the butter and chocolate is completely melted and there's no lumps, the mixture is completely smooth, you can then take off the heat and leave aside for a couple of minutes. In a separate larger bowl, add your Mini Marshmallows, your Digestives and your Cornflakes. Make sure that it is a larger bowl. I made the mistake of thinking that the bowl was big enough and it wasn't, so make sure that the bowl is nice and big. Add your 500 to 800 grams of mixed chocolates into the bowl and mix thoroughly, making sure all the ingredients are mixed well. Once all the dry ingredients are mixed thoroughly, you can then pour your warm chocolate mixture into the dry ingredients. You then need to mix that again thoroughly and carefully to make sure all the chocolate mixture is dispersed throughout the dry mixture evenly. Remember, you can use whatever chocolates that you like. I'm just using these because they were still left in the cupboard, but feel free to use whatever you want for your Rocky Roads. Once everything is mixed together, you can then pour the mixture into the baking trays. Like I said earlier, I've used 2 just so that the Rocky Road bars aren't that thick, but if you want to use 1 tin and make them as thick as you like, you're more than welcome to. Just make sure for this step, you're pouring your mixture into a baking tin. Leave in the fridge to set for 2 to 3 hours, and once set, you can then take out of the baking trays and portion however you like. I've done it into small little bars like this, just so they're nice and bite-sized, but you're more than welcome to cut them and portion them however you like. Let me know what you think of this Rocky Road. If you've made this Rocky Road, what chocolates and goodies did you use? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Thank you!